Hello everyone, I am Deboshmita Sharkar. So, today I will show you how to make a delicious, yummy, and a creamy fruit salad. So, let's start. At first, let us know the definition of fruit salad. Fruit salad is a dish consisting of various kinds of fruit, sometimes served in a liquid, either their own juices or a syrup. In different forms, fruit salad can be served as an appetizer, a side salad, or a dessert. When served as an appetizer or dessert, a fruit salad is sometimes known as a fruit cocktail also, often connoting a canned product or fruit cup when served in a small container. There are many types of fruit salad ranging from the basic nuts, marshmallows or dressing to the moderately sweet Waldorf salad to the sweet ambrosia salad. Another salad containing fruit is a jello salad with its many variations. Fruit cocktail is a well defined in the US to mean a well distributed mixture of small diced pieces of from highest percentage to lowest peaches, pears, pineapples, grapes, and cherry halves. Fruit salad may also be a canned with larger pieces of fruit than a cocktail. So is it okay? Now we will know the nutritional facts of fruit salad. Amount per is 100 gram. Calories is 50 gram. Okay. Total fat 0. Saturated fat 0. Polyunsaturated fat 0. Monosaturated fat 0. So total fat is 0. Cholesterol is 0 milligram. Sodium is 5 milligram. Potassium is 16 milligram, and total carbohydrates with that dietary fiber is 13 gram, and protein is 0.5 gram. So from this fruit salad we get vitamin A 12%, calcium 1%, vitamin D 0%, cobalium 0%, vitamin C 5%, iron 1%, vitamin B6 is 0%, and magnesium is 2%. So with this, with the pictures of creamy fruits, so let's begin. First of all, let's see the ingredients that we need to make this dish. We need sour curd, black salt powder, black pepper powder, honey, a beater, and the most important is fruits. So here I have taken apples, grapes, lychees, mango, bananas, and pomegranates. So let's see the procedure. First, you all have to drain all the water from the sour curd. I have already done this before. So you have to drain. This sour curd, means all the water from the sour curd. So I have done this process earlier. Now we have to mix here 1 teaspoon black salt powder. So let's mix it. 1 teaspoon, not then it will be much, means the taste will not look good or not taste so good. So I will take 2 pinch. Now we will keep this aside and take the black pepper powder. 2 pinch. Done. Now we will take this beater and beat it. Let's beat it. See, I hope you all can see this. So the beating is almost done. The beating is almost done. So now we will pour this mixture in this yummy fruits. So I have poured the mixture. Okay. Now we will mix this. See, you can see the color has changed also. So I have taken more black pepper powder and black salt powder because the taste is not so good. So if you want to put much black pepper powder and black salt powder, you can put it. Now we will mix the fruits with this white yogurt. You can see the color has fully changed. So you can understand how much tasty it will be. So done. Now we will put the honey over here. Okay. So let's put it. At first we know that all the nutritional facts of the fruit salad. So if you put honey, it will make sweeter. Now we will mix this. Mix the honey with this already done fruit salad. Already done. You have to mix this well. If you don't, then all the products will not get mixed up and it will not look good, or it will not taste good also. See, we have to mix it more. So see, our healthy, delicious and yummy fruit salad is ready. You can try this at home also. It's very simple, and the ingredients that I used here is always available, always. So you can use it and have this at your evening snacks or as your dessert. So bye bye. Thank you.